Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing some Christmas crafts, and these crafts are all the things that I found at the Dollar Tree. And there are things that I would use and am going to use in my house. So, got my signature cup of coffee here because you can't make a YouTube video without it. But I have about 5 crafts and things I'm going to show you that I bought at the Dollar Tree, so it's very budget friendly, and we're just going to change them slightly, make them our own. So I'm really excited to show you what I have today. Okay, for the first craft, I found these trees at the Dollar Tree, and I also found some miniature ones. They have the best miniature selection and like the cutest things that are mini right now at the Dollar Tree. I found these, and I also found this cute little tray. And my idea was to hot glue these trees onto the tray and then spray paint them, kind of flock them with some white spray paint, and then also add some decor that I found at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started with this one. Okay, we're just gonna hot glue these on and then take it outside to flock it. You guys, I found these at Ace Hardware for $4. So I am in the process of cutting these up and finishing this. Here's what it looks like with the spray paint. And here it is, guys. Here is the display. And everything was from the Dollar Tree except for these branches that I said I got at Home Depot for $4 each. So tell me your thoughts. I absolutely love this for my house. Okay, so the next craft I have are these nutcrackers that I found at the Dollar Tree. We are going to remove the hair from these guys. And then my idea was to spray paint them white because I just think it matches my decor better. So we're gonna remove all the hair, and then we're gonna take these guys outside, spray paint them, and then we'll see what they look like. And here are the nutcrackers. I love the way they turned out. I think they're super cute. And here they are. All right, for my next little craft are these Christmas bulbs that I found at the Dollar Tree as well. And they have glass or they have plastic, but I decided to go with plastic because this is something that I want to do with my kids. And I bought these paints at the Dollar Tree as well, so super budget friendly. And we are just gonna take these, put the paint in, swirl it around. And now you have a super fun Christmas bulb, and of course you can get any color that you want. I get multiple colors for my kids, blues and pinks and gold, and let them choose, and it's really fun, and I'll show you a picture of this on the Christmas tree too. Okay, so for this next video I found these bells, these plastic bells at the Dollar Tree, and I got this idea from Christina Muscari for Pretty Distressed. She had done this and I absolutely loved it, so I wanted to try it. So we're going to use these, and we're just going to take the tops off. And I'm just taking the paint and painting it on. It does not have to be perfect by any means. And it's okay if there are some spots that aren't covered. Okay guys, here are the bells. I love the way they turned out. I think they're so cute. To me, they do not look like plastic $1.25 bells from the Dollar Tree. Here is some cord that I bought from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just gonna cut these 3 different links so that they hang slightly different. Okay, I have 3 different links and I'm just going to take it and put it through, pull it through the top, and then I'm gonna simply tie a knot so that it doesn't get pulled all the way through. And I'm gonna do that 2 more times. Okay guys, here they are. Oh my goodness, I love these so much. I'm gonna display these somewhere nicely so you can get a look at it. Okay guys, here they are. I decided to put them on my stairs. I think it's a perfect spot. I love them. I think they're adorable, but tell me your thoughts. What do you guys think? Okay, for the last thing, I found these adorable reindeer at the Dollar Tree. Now they were $5, and I didn't know exactly what I was gonna do with them, but I thought they were so cute that I grabbed them. And so I was thinking, since I am painting or spray painting the nutcrackers white, I was going to do the same thing with these guys. Now, what is fun about this is that you can also spray paint these any color. You could do gold, you could do black. I'm going with white because that matches my decor and it can kind of go with anything. So we're gonna take these outside, spray paint them white, along with the nutcrackers, and see what they look like. Okay guys, and here are the reindeer. I love them white. I just think they look way more modern and way more expensive. Okay guys, that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed those crafts. I had a lot of fun making them and just trying something new and having new things for my house that were not terribly expensive. So thanks again for watching. Please let me know if you guys like these, if you are gonna try them. I'd love to see pictures. I really enjoy hearing from you guys and I appreciate all the comments. And please always hit like and subscribe and tell me which one was your favorite.